Hello everyone and welcome to Daily Fix Guide. In today's video, I will show you how to unsuspend your X account, or formerly known as a Twitter account. So it's a very simple process. All you have to do is first open your X app, then log in with your suspended account. So once you have logged in with your suspended account, you will see an interface right over here that will tell you that your account is suspended. So don't worry, I'll tell you exactly how to fix that. Click on your profile at the top left corner, then scroll down and click on the Settings and Support panel, and a small menu will pop up right over here. Click on Settings and Privacy. Then over here, simply click on Privacy and Safety. Over here, scroll down to the very bottom, and there you will find an option called Contact Us. Click on that. Wait for a few seconds, and then the Help Center should appear in front of you over here. Click on the search option or the magnifying glass icon at the top right corner. And over here, just type in Suspended, and then hit Enter. And you should find the option called About Suspended Accounts. Click on that option, scroll down till you find a section that is highlighted and named File and Appeal. The moment you click on that option, a page will appear in front of you where a section will appear where you can directly appeal for a suspended account if you're logged in with that suspended account. Now, the reason you are unable to see the option on my phone is because my account was unsuspended. So what you do is simply scroll down over here and you should be able to see an option where you can type in a message. And the message that you have to type is right over here. So you can quickly take a screenshot, or you can also see the message at the top of the screen right over here. Simply copy that exactly, line by line, and then paste it right over there in the section. And once you paste the message, simply click on Proceed, and then there will be a few captures that you'll need to complete. Once you've done that, your message will be submitted and the X team will review your account. And the moment they review the account, they will unsuspend your account within a few days or even a few hours. So that's it. Now you know how to unsuspend your Twitter account or X account on your phone. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. So thank you for watching and take care.